How important is for business owners to understand the financial statements and what they should be focusing on?
Crucial. Everything starts with the numbers. Let's know the break even. Let's know the target. How much we got to sell in order to hit that target. How much does that mean? How many hours we got to sell, or how many units? If I don't know my numbers, then how am I going to know if I'm successful or not? How am I going to know? And what a lot of business owners do, they find out whether they've been successful or not 6 months after the end of the financial year when they have a meeting with their accountant. By the time they're making decisions based on that information, it's already out of date. Loads of stuff will have changed. Loads of stuff. And do you want to wait 6 months to find out you were doing well? And do you want to wait 6 months to find out you were doing better? So what do? We run our businesses for our bank account. Oh, there's money in the bank. I must be all right. Well, that is all right, unless you've got 10 grand in the bank and you owe 30 to your suppliers. In that case, it's not all right. You might feel all right looking at it, but tomorrow you're going to have a nasty surprise when you've got a bill to pay. And let's say you got £1,000 in the bank account and it feels rubbish, but you're owed 60 and that's going to get paid tomorrow. You're all right, but you feel rubbish. Running your business by your bank account is just a mistake. It's just a mistake. And we all do it. You can't hold all that information in your head. And yet business owners try. I'll sit down with them and have a conversation. They go, but so-and-so's promised they're going to pay on this day, and so-and-so's going to promise they're going to pay on this day. It amazes me how many businesses are unaware of this stuff. In my original business, there used to be a little black book. I'm going back to the time when, computers went a little bit slower. Minecraft was an amazing thing and all this sort of stuff. I used to have this book. At the end of the week, I'd have all the invoices, all the bills that I hadn't received that week. I'd have a list of all my invoices that I'd raise. Every Friday, before I went home, I'd complete this book to work out whether I'd made money that week or not. And my wife used to joke with her friends. She could tell what sort of weekend she was having by my expression as I got out of the car on a Friday evening. She was like, oh, we've made money this week. I'm going out for dinner. Or, oh dear, he looks miserable. I might avoid him. We've obviously had a bad week. But it was really important to know that, because if I wait till 6 months after the end of the financial year to know that, it's way too late to do anything about it. I can't change where I've been. I need the information in real time so that I can affect next week.